yawn. Ben, wake up. What time is it? Wake up, Ben. What's happening? I smell coffee. Is Mom still here?
Looks like it.
Whoa, nice. Look at the calendar. Oh my gosh, look at the big red circle. Today is May 10th. It's Mother's Day and her birthday. We completely forgot. No, I thought it was tomorrow. We need money fast. Where is our secret piggy bank? It's in here. Smash it! Smash it right now! 10, 20, 30. Ben, this is enough for flowers, but we can't afford a cake. Oh no, now what do we do? Dad, emergency! We forgot Mom's birthday and Mother's Day.
Oh no.
But I have an idea.
Yes.
What? Today is the 10th? Oh no, my office calendar was wrong. Listen to me, kids. Go get the flowers. I will race home right now and bake the cake.
Grab your helmet, Ben. The flower shops in town close early today. Follow me, Ben. Don't look back. Wow. This is so fast.
Okay. Flour, eggs, butter, sugar. Let's make a masterpiece. Aha! Here is a giant unmarked jar of white powder. Perfect.
Hello. Do you have any fresh red carnations left? Wow, look at those.
Oh, sweethearts, I'm all sold out. Every single flower in town is completely
Oh
gone.
no, but I'm so sorry. What do we do now, Lily? We failed, Mom. It's okay, Ben. We didn't fail. We can try again.
Psst, kids. Go past the steep green hills to Silver Lake Farm. They have endless flowers.
Let's taste my beautiful cake. Uke PFTT. It's pure salt. Oh no, the jar label says Roque salt for ice. I ruined the cake.
Lily, look at the clouds. It's getting so dark and scary. Ben, we need to get home fast. Hurry, Ben. Run to that old wooden cabin over there. Okay, Lily, I'm coming. Keep going. I'm freezing, Lily. My hands are shaking so much. It's okay, I've got you. Just rub your hands and I'll keep you warm.
Okay, real sugar this time? Bah. Wait, what happened to the lights?
The electric oven is dead. But the outdoor brick oven works on real wood fire. Come on, fire. Light up for Sarah's birthday.
Ben, look! The rain completely stopped. We found the secret farm. Wow, Ben, look at all these flowers. Mom is gonna be so happy. Yay!
Perfect. Baked to absolute perfection. By real wood fire.
Sigh. What a long, exhausting day at work. I bet everyone is already asleep. Hello? Is anyone awake in here?
Surprise! Happy birthday and happy Mother's Day, Mom! Surprise! Happy birthday and happy Mother's Day, Mom!
A wood-baked cake and flowers from the secret mountain farm. This is the greatest adventure and the best gift I could ever ask for.